this video, we are going to discuss project number 15. This is our project. We are going to make this. For creating this object, there are many steps. You can see all steps we have to follow. Step by step we have to create. So there are also many hidden features that we have to apply in this drawing. So you have to see carefully. Some views are given here. You can see this is the front view, this is the top view. So all views are given. From the top view I am going to start. So go to top, select a top plane, create a sketch. So first create a center rectangle and define length and width values. Okay, 82, and then this values you have to apply how much? 184. And close, finish your sketch. Next, now how much you have to extrude? 17 mm. You can see here dimension is given here 17 mm. You have to extrude for base plate. So define 17, then click OK. Okay. You can see here in corner, both corner you have to apply fillet with radius 6. So just go for edge blend and select both corner and define radius value 6 mm. Then click OK. The next step, what we are going to do, we are going to make this rectangle and then I will extrude it. So what is the length values? So length will be total 82 mm. And what is the width values? Width values you can see here 42 mm. So let's create a circle, rectangle first. Go for corner rectangle. Okay, sorry, not center, corner, just change here. And define that values. So one value is already defined because corner to corner I defined. Here this values you have to define how much? 42 mm. Just align this, align, or also you can define 0 values. Select both and aligned or coincident. Okay, just extrude it. So define extrude values. How much you have to extrude? So you can see extrude values that is given. That values you have to apply. Just apply that values. What value is given here? Then next click OK. Then next. Okay. Next what we are going to make? We are going to make this portion. After that I will mirror this. So first of all create this portion. So for that we need some position and then some value. You can see this is the position. Okay, from the center point or from the right side edges, some values given 42 plus 18. Okay, so just go for sketch for this face and create a corner rectangle or circle first. Okay, according to both method you can create. So I am creating circle first. Define circle diameter values how much? Just to go for rapid dimension, first define position. So what is the position of this? So 60 mm. Okay, then next you have to define, you can see this is the coincident. Okay, so just apply as a coincident first. Now something gap is there, so coincident, or also you can apply distance 0 mm. Okay, so it is also like a coincident. Okay, next you have to project outer boundary edges and this boundary edges. Okay, all curves we have to project what we need actually, and then just connect it as a tangent line. And now trim unwanted lines, unwanted curves. So this curve we don't need, inside curve also we don't need, we need only this closed profile. Okay, just finish your sketch and extrude it. How much you have to extrude? Just to go to drawing and see what is the values. So this value is how much? 39 mm. You can see here. So you have to apply how much? 39. Already that is in 39. Okay. Okay. Next you have to mirror this feature. Just go for mirror, select this feature first, and then select your mid plane. So existing mid plane I am selecting here, just mirror it. You can see both object is created. Next I am going to create internal hole. Okay, M18. So simply I am going to create a hole. Go for sketch, select that face, and then create a circle. Or directly you can create hole also. Okay, but it will be little bit slow. So go for threaded hole and select your type or size. Okay, what size actually we need. So first of all I'm going to define position, that is already in center, and then now select your standard size. What size is given in drawing? M18. So just choose M18. Okay, you can see here. And depth values, if you want to change you can change. So what is the depth values? Actually some values given 27. So just apply depth values 27 mm. Okay, this is the value actually we need. Now you can see actually we don't need chamfer. So again edit on this feature and just disable all chamfer. Start chamfer, just disable this, and chamfer also you can disable, then click OK. Okay, so that dot line that is showing thread dimension, actually thread position. Next mirror this feature. Before that I am applying thread simply. Okay, so all major diameter we have to define, just define some values. Okay, so simply for presentation purpose I am creating a thread. Next just I am going to mirror this feature. Select first and then second, both feature we have to select, and select your mid plane. So mid plane already is here, existing mid plane, and then just mirror it. Now you can see this feature is mirrored right now. Next what we have to do, we have to create this. Okay, so for that outer radius is 35 mm. So just go for mid plane, right side mid plane, and create a circle first. Okay, what is the values? It is 35, mean diameter 70 mm you have to apply. Okay, just apply diameter values. Just a second. From this edges I am creating. So now also we have to define some position. What is the position? You can see you can calculate these values 80, 42 and 18. Just define dimension from this outer boundary edges to the center point. And what values we have to define? Just 80 plus 40 plus 28. So what values is given? Total values will be 140 mm. So just apply that values. So first you calculate your values, what is the total values, and then just apply that values. Actually we need here semicircle. Okay, so we have to trim. So first project this edges for intersecting purpose, and then trim your bottom arc. Trim carefully and then extrude it symmetrically. Just extrude it symmetrically. How much values you have to apply? Just go to drawing and see 52. So you have to apply 52 divided by 2. Okay, and click OK. So top this feature is created. Next what you have to do? Next you have to create this cut, this slot. You can see you have to cut through all. Okay, in isometric view also you can see. So just I'm going to create. So with cut also in top some profile is there. So both profile I'm going to create from front face, selective face, okay. So just create that circle, create tangent line. Actually we need this closed profile, so you can create your closed profile. No need to create perfectly with that edges. Also you can create online in bottom, okay, but we need closed profile actually. So just trim it. Unwanted curves I am going to trim, okay. Just close it, finish, and then cut out. Select body, just a second. Maybe some body is not united through all. See preview. So yes, this body is not united, this body. So we have to convert this boolean option as a unite, then click ok, cancel it. Now you can see, hide your sketch. Sorry, just a second. Just click show or hide option and hide your all curves and sketches. Now you can see this cutout. Next what you have to do, next is I'm going to cut this internal area. You can see internal area. So for that I'm going to create a rectangle first. So I'm going to do here revolve cut, okay. So go for a static wireframe, and in bottom first create a center line. Okay. I want to cut with the revolve option, okay. So just see what I'm doing here. I'm creating a rectangle first, but semi profile actually I'm going to create. What profile we have to cut, but semi profile only. Sorry, semi profile we are going to cut here. Okay, next we have to align this with this center line. So I am creating the center line mid of this previous rectangle, and you can coincident or you can apply 0 values. Oh sorry, this line is moving, just fix it, because this construction line should be fixed. Now define 0. It's over constant, already values is given here, just put 0 values. Next what you have to do, you have to revolve cut. Go for revolve, select and just change it as a shaded with edges, that clearly you can see. Go for curve and select a vector. So this is your vector, just subtract it, say preview, hide your sketch. So this cutout is done, but it look like good. Okay, next create this cutout. For this cutout some value is given from the top. So from the top you can't cut out. So right side mid plane we have to select this mid plane, sorry, not right side, front. So now I'm going to get a, oh sorry, this height values, I think some values mistake. See, check once. this value how much I defined 62, and go to drawing and see, oh sorry, this total value is 62, you have to minus 17. Okay, that's why this feature is too long. So 62 minus 17, then click OK. So some sketches is related to that feature, that's why that is showing some notification. Now you can see now your body is proper. So now I am going to create a corner rectangle. What is the values? You can see width is 36, and then another values we have to apply. First you define this values how much, 36 mm, and this between this gap you have to apply 6 mm, and bottom also we need 6 mm. So now need to define height values. So just extrude cut it. Go for extrude. Go for symmetry, because both sides we have to cut. What is the value? 66. Then what values you have to apply? 33. Okay, so this cutout is done. Next you can see this backside view, some hole is there. Okay, so that hole diameter is 20 mm and position is 18 mm. So just rotate it, create a circle on this face. Go for circle and create a circle anywhere. Just define your diameter values. Now you can define position. What is the position? From the right side boundary line 18 mm. Okay, so horizontally values you have to apply how much? 18 mm. Just go for rapid dimension, the center. So first just height values 20 and 43, sorry, and this value is 18 mm. So position is defined. You can cut out right now. Change your direction and go for until next. Until next surface, then click OK. You can see your hole is created. Okay, so this is created here. Some option is a fillet. You have to apply edge blend with some radius values. Just go for edge blend and select your boundary edges, and then define values radius 6. Okay, now inner fillet also you can apply. How much inner fillet is there? 4 mm. Okay, so this is the procedure. According to this procedure you can create. This is the isometric view. I am going for, say, from the top view. Go for front view. Go for right side. Okay, just go for wireframe. In wireframe you can see, so just see here this profile is something different. So inner circle radius is 27 mm. Okay, just add it on this. Go for shaded with edges. I'm going to change something. So guys, I'm going to edit on that. Or directly we can create a circle on mid plane. Create a circle directly with that center point. That value is given. What is the value? Radius 27. Okay. So now you can ignore your revolve cut option. Okay. Simply circle I am creating here, and I am going to cut out this. Just put symmetric. How much? 36 mm. So So just apply how much, 36 mm divided by 2, then click OK. So now it is perfect. Okay, just delete this revolve cut, or you can hide. Now you can see. So guys, you have to ignore this. This is the isometric view.